Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, Peter, and hello to all our lovely listeners. It's so good to be here again.
Always great to see you, Lily. How are you today?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. I had a calm morning, I drank some tea, listened to soft music, and took a short walk.
Oh, that sounds relaxing. You really started your day in a peaceful way.
Yes, I tried to. Sometimes life feels so busy that I forget to slow down.
Oh, I totally understand. And actually, that connects perfectly to our topic today.
Oh, really? What is today's topic, Peter?
Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to focus on yourself.
Oh, I love that topic. Focusing on yourself sounds simple, but it can be difficult sometimes.
Exactly. We often think about work, school, or family, but not about our own feelings or needs.
Right. It's like we care for everyone else, but forget to take care of ourselves.
Yes. So, Lily, when you hear the phrase, focus on yourself, what does it mean to you?
For me, it means spending time doing something that makes me happy and calm. Something just for me.
That's a great way to say it. Something that's only for you, not for your boss, not for your friends, just for you.
Exactly. Like being your own best friend.
Oh, I like that. Be your own best friend. That's beautiful.
Thank you. I really believe that. If you don't care for yourself, how can you care for others?
So true. So, let's give our listeners some simple ideas they can do every day to focus on themselves.
Good idea. Let's start with something easy. Reading a book.
Ah, yes. Reading is one of my favorite things to do. When you read, it's like you travel to a different world.
Yes, and it's quiet. You, your book, and your thoughts.
What kind of books do you like to read, Lily?
I like short stories and books with beautiful pictures. Sometimes I just look at the pictures and it makes me feel relaxed.
That sounds lovely. I like adventure stories, simple ones with happy endings. They make me feel good inside.
A happy ending is always nice. Reading is such a peaceful way to spend time alone.
It really is. But not everyone loves reading. So what's another simple way to focus on yourself?
I think going for a walk.
Oh yes, I do that almost every day.
Really? Where do you like to walk?
I usually walk in the park near my house. There are big green trees, small birds, and sometimes I see dogs running.
That sounds so nice. I love walking in nature too. It helps me feel free and clear.
Me too. When I walk, I can think, dream, or just enjoy the fresh air.
Yes, and you can walk alone. No phone, no talking, just you and your thoughts.
Or you can listen to music while walking.
Oh, that's true. Music is another great way to focus on yourself.
Definitely. Music can change how you feel.
When I'm sad, I listen to calm music like piano or guitar. It helps me relax.
That's nice. I like pop music when I want to feel happy. Something with energy. Something that makes me want to dance.
I can totally imagine that. Peter dancing in the park.
Hey, why not? Dancing is also a way to focus on yourself.
You're right. You move your body, you forget your stress, and you feel alive.
Exactly. So far, we have reading, walking, listening to music, and maybe dancing.
All great ways to focus on yourself. And they're all free.
Yes, you don't need a lot of money, just a few minutes every day.
That's important. Many people think self-care means something big or expensive, but it's not.
Right. It can be small. Even 5 minutes of quiet time can make a big difference.
That's so true. I sometimes just sit on my balcony, close my eyes, and breathe slowly.
That's a great habit. Meditation or quiet breathing is another perfect way to reconnect with yourself.
I agree. It makes me feel calm and ready for the day.
Sometimes people feel guilty for spending time alone.
Oh, yes, I've heard that. They think it's selfish.
But it's not selfish at all. It's healthy.
Exactly. If you're always tired or stressed, you can't be your best self.
That's right. Taking care of yourself helps you take care of others too.
Yes, it's like the rule on airplanes. Put on your own oxygen mask before helping someone else.
That's a perfect example.
So, focusing on yourself doesn't mean ignoring people. It means taking time to recharge.
I like that word, recharge. Like charging your phone, but it's for your mind and heart.
Exactly. We all need that time. Even 10 minutes can make you feel better.
So true. Hey, Lily, do you have a hobby that helps you focus on yourself?
Oh, yes, I love painting.
Really? That's wonderful. What kind of painting do you do?
I like simple nature scenes. Trees, flowers, mountains. I'm not a professional, but it makes me happy.
That's what matters most. Doing something you enjoy just for yourself.
Yes, when I paint, I forget about time. I forget my phone. It's just colors, brushes, and me.
That's beautiful, Lily. I think hobbies are one of the best ways to focus on yourself.
I agree. Do you have a hobby, Peter?
Yes. I like cooking.
Oh, that's a great hobby.
Thank you. I like to cook pasta with tomato sauce. When I chop vegetables and mix everything, I feel relaxed.
That's lovely. Cooking is like art.
Yes, and the best part? I can eat the result.
A delicious reward for focusing on yourself.
Exactly.
So, Peter, if we think about what we've talked about so far, reading, walking, listening to music, dancing, painting, cooking, all of them have one thing in common.
What's that?
They help you spend time with yourself, your thoughts, your feelings, your energy.
That's so true. And they help you to feel balanced and peaceful.
Exactly. Focusing on yourself is not about being alone all the time. It's about being connected to yourself.
I love that. Connected to yourself. Yes.
Sometimes I think people are too connected to their phones and not connected to their hearts.
Very true. Maybe we should make a new rule. Put down your phone and pick up your soul.
That's poetic, Peter.
Thank you. I try.
So, to all our listeners, think about one small thing you can do today for yourself.
It doesn't have to be big, just something that makes you smile.
Like a short walk, a cup of tea, or a song you love.
Yes. Focus on yourself, even for a few minutes. You deserve it.
You really do.
That's a perfect message to end part 1.
Yes, but we'll be back soon with part 2, where we'll talk about saying no, setting boundaries, and learning to rest.
That's going to be very interesting.
Definitely. So stay tuned, everyone, and remember, take care of yourself.
Because you are important.
Exactly. See you in part 2.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of How to Focus on Yourself. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. In part 1, we talked about simple activities: reading, walking, music, dancing, painting, and cooking.
Today we'll go a little deeper. How to say no, how to set boundaries, and how to rest without guilt. Ready, Lily?
Ready. Let's start with saying no. Many people are afraid to say no. They feel bad.
Yes, but saying no is not rude. It is healthy. It is a way to protect your time, energy, and heart.
Exactly. And there are many polite ways to say no. Let's teach some easy phrases.
Great idea. Here are 3 simple ones. 1. No thank you. 2.
I can't today. 3. Maybe next time.
Those are friendly and clear. We can also add a short reason if we want. For example, I can't today. I have plans.
Or, no thank you. I'm focusing on a project right now.
Yes, and sometimes we can offer another option. I can't this week, but I'm free next Monday.
That's perfect. So the formula is no plus short reason plus possible alternative.
Let's do a quick role play. I'll ask you for something.
Okay?
Peter, can you help me move furniture tonight?
No thank you. I'm resting tonight, but I can help on Saturday morning.
Nice, polite and honest. And you offered another time.
Your turn. Lily, can you join a long meeting after work?
I can't today. I have a personal appointment. Maybe next time.
Great, clear, and respectful.
Saying no helps us keep boundaries. But what are boundaries, Peter?
Boundaries are rules we make for ourselves. They protect our time, our energy, and our feelings.
Yes, boundaries can be about time, like I don't answer messages after 9 p.m., or about work, like I take a lunch break every day, or about personal space, like I need quiet time in the morning.
Here are some simple boundary sentences listeners can use. I'm not available after dinner. I can do that tomorrow, not today. I need 10 minutes alone right now. Please message me during work hours.
Those are great, short, kind, and strong.
Boundaries are also for ourselves. For example, I will take a 10-minute break every hour. Or I won't check social media before breakfast.
Ah, social media. That brings us to digital detox.
Yes, our phones are useful, but sometimes they take our time and our attention.
We can try small rules. Put the phone in another room during dinner. Turn off notifications after a certain time. Use Do Not Disturb for 30 minutes of focus.
Or create a no-phone hour, the first hour after waking up or the last hour before sleep.
That one helps me a lot. When I don't look at my phone in the morning, my mind feels clear and calm.
Same here. Now, let's talk about rest. Some people feel guilty when they rest.
Yes, but rest is not lazy. Rest is a part of good work. It's like breathing out after breathing in.
Exactly. We can plan rest the same way we plan work. We can schedule it. For example, at 3 p.m., I will take a 15-minute break and have tea.
Planning rest makes it real. It tells your brain this time is important.
A simple rest routine can include sit down, breathe slowly, drink water or tea, stretch your neck and shoulders, close your eyes for 1 minute.
That is so simple and so powerful. After 5 minutes, you feel new.
Another helpful practice is journaling, writing your thoughts.
I love journaling. It doesn't need to be long, just 3 lines. What I feel, what I need, and one small action.
For example, I feel tired. I need quiet. One small action, quick walk without my phone.
Beautiful. That little plan already helps.
We can also use positive self-talk and affirmations.
Yes, speak kindly to yourself. Some affirmations. I am allowed to rest. My needs are important. I can say no. I choose small steps today.
Repeat them in the morning or before sleep. Words shape our thoughts. Thoughts shape our actions. Let's share morning and evening routines for beginners. Morning routine, 10 to 15 minutes. Drink water, 3 deep breaths, 1 minute of stretching, write 1 line, Today I will, one small thing. No phone until after step 4.
Evening routine, 10 to 15 minutes. Write 3 good things from today. Light stretch or quiet music. Put the phone away 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Say one affirmation. I did my best today.
These routines are short, realistic, and gentle.
Another tool is the 10-minute rule. If a task feels big, scary, or heavy, just do it for 10 minutes.
Yes, set a timer, work for 10 minutes, then stop, or continue if you feel good. Starting is the hardest part.
The 10-minute rule also works for self-care. 10 minutes of reading, 10 minutes of walking, 10 minutes of cleaning your space.
Speaking of space, a tidy space helps a tidy mind. You can try the one thing reset. Choose one small area, your desk, your bag, your bedside, and reset it in 5 minutes.
I love that. It gives a quick win and fresh energy.
Let's talk about goals. Many people set big goals and then feel stress.
True. For beginners, choose tiny goals. For example, read 1 page, walk 5 minutes, or write 1 sentence.
Tiny goals build confidence. Confidence builds bigger steps.
And celebrate every tiny win. Say, good job to yourself. Smile. It matters.
Yes, and show yourself self-compassion. Be kind when you make mistakes. We all make mistakes.
A simple self-compassion sentence. This is hard, and I'm learning. I will try again tomorrow.
That is so gentle and true.
Before we close, let's give our listeners a 7-day focus plan. Very simple.
Great! Here it is. Day 1, 10-minute walk without your phone. Day 2, write 3 lines in your journal. Feel, need, 1 action. Day 3, digital detox for 1 hour in the evening. Day 4, say no once where it protects your energy. Use a polite phrase. Day 5, do a hobby for 15 minutes. Draw, cook, sing, plant. Day 6, one thing reset. Clean a small area for 5 minutes. Day 7, gratitude. Write 3 good things from your week.
If you miss a day, it's okay. Start again. No drama, no guilt.
Exactly. Progress, not perfection.
Peter, what is one boundary you will keep this week?
I will not check messages after 9 p.m. I will read instead. You?
I will take a 10-minute walk after lunch every day. No phone.
I like it. Listeners, choose one boundary and 1 small action for this week.
Write them down right now if you can. Writing makes it stronger.
And tell a friend. Speaking your plan gives you support.
Remember, focusing on yourself is not selfish. It's smart. It helps your health, your work, and your relationships.
You deserve care. You deserve rest. You deserve your own attention.
And you can start small. Today, in the next 10 minutes, we believe in you.
Thank you for listening to our 2-part episode, How to Focus on Yourself. If this helped you, please subscribe, share the podcast with a friend, and give us a like.
And tell us in the comments, what is your one small action this week? Until next time, take care of yourself, gently, daily, and proudly, because you are important, always.
Bye.
For now.